Hey cruisers, if you saw our last YouTube announcement, you may have heard we are headed to Alaska on a cruise. We're going to be on Norwegian Bliss, and I've committed the cardinal cruise sin. I've saved my packing until the very last minute. Like, I am packing tomorrow and I need your help. So some of the items I'm going to show you today, they're definite yeses. They're like, woohoo! Taking them with me for sure. I know that they're going, but a couple of them I'm on the fence about. So I have about 20-ish items. It's a combo of men's clothing items, women's clothing items, and a couple of cruise essentials that I really want your input on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to number everything that I mentioned so you can jump into the comments and tell me what to take and what to leave behind. You can say like, okay, definitely scrap number 18. Forget it. You don't need that. Or I like number 22 better than number 18. And you're going to find links to all the products there too. Let's get right into it. Number one is this gorgeous men's packable puffer jacket. It is lightweight, it is hooded, it is insulated, and it is windproof, and it goes into a little carrying case. I think this one is going to be like a for sure yes for me. I feel like it's a absolutely gorgeous choice for my husband, and I think it'll be awesome. I'm on the fence a little bit about this lightweight raincoat for him though. I think it's really nice looking, but it's ultra super duper thin. It also comes with a carrying case. I'm just not sure he needs this. And he has a raincoat that's been pretty reliable. So we're thinking that maybe that one is a meh, kind of on the fence. Let me know what you think about that one. Number two, we got to talk about this gorgeous men's Sherpa lined flannel. It's a shirt jacket. It does not have a hood, and as you can see, it looks really good on Mr. Cruise Tips TV. The only thing about this one is it's a little bit bulky, but I think that this is a yes. So that's number 2A. Now number 2B, I think this one is a definite yes too. This is a non-Sherpa lined flannel for Junior. This one comes in 14 patterns. This particular print is called dark blue, and I gotta tell you, I really like this shirt. It's a perfect size small for him, and I think that this one is a yes. Okay, what do you guys think about item number 3? This is a travel soap dish. I think it's a really clever kind of invention. Basically what you do is you take the lid off, you slide it out, you can pack your soap right in here in this little guy while you're traveling, and then when you get out, you have an actual travel soap dish. So it's a travel container and a soap dish all in one. I think it's pretty clever. I just have to decide if for a 7-night cruise, I really want to take something this big. So weigh in the comments. Let me know what you think about number 3, the soap dish. Number 4, okay. Yeah, I know. During the Prime Day sale, I splurged and I went kind of basic and I got the Hydro Flask 32-ounce tumbler with a straw. I just loved the matcha ombre look. And to be honest, I've been carting this thing all over town. I've been drinking out of it every day in my house. So I've become kind of accustomed to it. But when I think about traveling with it, I'm like, I don't know, that is really big. So should I take it or should I ditch it? All right, numbers 5, 6, and 7 are some new travel bags. I think I already have my answer. I think I know which one I want to take, but I need your input. So let's start with number 5 and 6. As you can see, numbers 5 and 6 are kind of the same colors. So let's start with number 5. This is a really nice personal item bag. It has a laptop compartment. My concern with this one is I just don't think it's quite big enough to be my personal item bag, but it is beautiful and it might be great if you're like going Spirit Airlines or something. So I thought I'd share it, but I'm thinking it's maybe a no for me. All right, the next one, which is number 6, is another simple, nice, basic personal item bag. This one actually has a lot of interior space. You guys can kind of see that. It has the trolley sleeve on the back. It's got some cup holders in the side. I love the color. I love the modern quilting. I love that it has a zipper pocket in the front, but again, I think maybe a little too small for my needs. I really use my personal item more like a duffel. Which brings me to item number, is this 7? Yeah, this is 7. This is a new Bag Smart duffel, and I feel like this one is going to give me more of the real space that I need. Has a pretty big interior, and one thing I like about this is that it's not really tall, but it's kind of long, and usually what I'm finding is that seat in front of me on the airplane where I use these bags, I'm finding that I need something kind of long, but not so tall. So I think this is probably going to make the cut. This also has a really cool feature. It has like a little opening right here where you can slide your shoes in. Do you know what it reminds me of, you guys? It reminds me of a doggy door. I think it totally looks like a doggy door. So if you think I should pack doggy door bag, let me know. I'm thinking that this is the one to try. And of course it has a trolley sleeve on the back, which is great. And it's black, so it will not get dirty. Okay, let's switch gears. We're gonna go over and talk about some women's fashion things. I do have more men's clothing items coming towards the end, but I wanted to mix it up a little bit. The first, I think this is a yes. Okay, this is so cute. I have to be honest, I love it. It's this little nautical V-neck sweater. It has off-white detail on the collar, off-white detail on the sleeves. It seems like a wonderful Alaska layering piece, and I think it's cute, and I think it's a yes. Do you guys agree this is a yes? Really cute, huh? Another one I think is a yes. This is a teeny tiny bit too small for me. I wish I would have got it in a medium. I wore this in our Norwegian Bliss announcement reel on Instagram and Facebook, and I think it's really cute. If I wear it open with a tank underneath, I think I'll be happy with it. But I think that this little pink flannel, I mean, it totally screams Alaska, right? I think it's a yes. I'm on the fence about this one just because I'm starting to feel like I'm going to be overpacking. What do you guys think about this waffle knit shacket? This is a really good fit on me. It's a size medium. My hesitation with it is only simply that I got it in a very light color and I don't want it to get dirty. Even though I can do laundry on Norwegian, I'm a little bit like, I'm not sure about the light color, so weigh in on that. And oh, I've stopped numbering them verbally. This is number 10, so just watch for the numbers on the screen. I'll make sure that I number them. Okay, this is funny. I'm thinking about taking this satin pajama set because I absolutely love the little shorts that it comes with, but it's Alaska. Why am I packing a satin shorts set? Because I think it's cute. Should I ditch the cute and go for something warmer? What do you think? Number 11, really cute, by the way. Size up in this if you get this set. Comes in 15 different prints, adorable. I actually went for a large in this, and I'm a super fan. My fanny pack that I just ordered, item number 12, this belt bag came in the mail today. I've left the tags on this, you guys. Do you think it's too big for Alaska? I'm on the fence about it. It's kind of cute. It's kind of different. It doesn't really match my hiking boots though. It does match stuff like this, so I'm kind of thinking out loud here that it might be good, but I could probably get away with a smaller crossbody bag. Just a little bit bigger. So I'm on the fence with this so much that I left the tags on. What do you think? Okay. Number 13 is stunning. And I cannot believe how soft this is. I think that this Western style fleece is coming with me. I got this in a medium. I'm so glad that I did. It's soft, it's cozy. You know how you just know you're gonna reach for something? I'm gonna reach for this. I'm gonna reach for this on my glacier day. I'm gonna reach for this going off the ship in a port day. I'm gonna reach for this going for my morning coffee run. So I think this is a hard yes. Here's where I'm torn. This sucker, this beautiful pink flannel shacket, this is gonna take up like half my suitcase. Am I right? This is number 14, pink plaid shacket, stay or go. Oh, the woes of being a carry-on only packer. I just can't decide. It's really bulky though, guys. What do you think? Do I have to leave the shacket at home? All right, back to some men's fashion. Number 15 is a very handsome, short-sleeved men's Cuban Guayabera shirt. We have this in the long sleeve version. And I'll be honest, Mr. Cruise Tips TV is already packed and he didn't include this in. Do you guys think he needs to rush to include this? Or should he save it for like a Caribbean cruise? Maybe he should save it. That one, by the way, comes in 20 colors. The men's Cuban shirt, 20 colors, runs totally true to size. It's a nice poly blend and it just holds up great. Number 16 also didn't make it into Mr. Cruise Tips TV's suitcase, but I personally love this long sleeve men's dress shirt. It's got a slimming effect on it. I love the look of it. I love the white stripe detail here. And I'm not sure if we should try to convince him to put it in a suitcase or again, save it for another one. Now, I want to show you a shirt that he did already pack in his suitcase. This is number 17. This is the black short sleeve dress shirt that we just got. This is an anti-wrinkle, very Mr. Cruise Tips TV shirt. It just hangs beautifully with jeans. It hangs beautifully with a pair of slacks. And I think that he's probably going to be happy in that for more than one night. So how did we do? those are most of the ones that I wanted your help with. Now, I want to share with you some definite yeses that I thought you might enjoy some links for. The first is my gold cuff. You guys, this is so pretty. I got this on Amazon. It's simple. It has a little tiny magnetic clasp on it. It comes off really, really easily. And I feel like it just offers a little pop of style without much space in the suitcase because it'll lay flat. Second, if you saw my social posts from the shipyard where I went to see Norwegian Aqua and I got to go to a gala event, you'll remember that I wore this beautiful aqua bodycon dress. I'm going to cold water wash this today because this sucker is a formal night, absolutely yes, but with a shawl and some formal, I don't know, accessories, formal necklace, formal shoes, all that good stuff. Next, this off-white oversized tee is my new guilty pleasure. I am not a t-shirt person, but one of my friends on Instagram shared a picture of this and I absolutely love it. I should have got it in brown though, because I think I already got a little bit of orange juice or something on it. I'm so mad at myself, but this is a definite yes. Again, those morning coffee runs, those really nice, cozy days when you just want to be in a t-shirt, it's pretty perfect. I also got myself some new cute cat eye sunglasses. They're really inexpensive. They're from Amazon. They have fun gold detail on the side. I think these are pretty cute. And I don't like to mess up my fancy sunglasses when I travel, so I might take these along with a pair of like more brand name polarized ones, but I think these are kind of fun and I like to mix it up. Lastly, I'm going to link to the dress and the belt that I'm wearing because these are going with me. I think this dress will be great for Alaska evenings. It's got sleeves, but it is shorter and it's really cute. So it's time for you to jump into the comments down below and give me some input on these items. Everything was numbered along the way, but if you need a refresher, I've also kind of numbered everything in the description box. Also, I'm going to link to our Norwegian Bliss announcement video so you can find out more about where we're going in case you missed that one, and some other Amazon Essentials videos. If you're new here, please do subscribe. And if you are an OG Cruise Tips TV commenter, listener, quiet listener, maybe you never comment and that's okay, please know that when you tap the thumbs up button, it helps us out so much. Doing that little thing is enormously helpful to our channel. Thanks for shopping with me. I appreciate you guys as always, and until next time, I'll see you on the high seas. Bye.